Are your calendar alerts not working on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially when you rely on reminders for important events. Don't worry. Follow these steps to fix the issue and get your calendar alerts working properly again. Solution 1. Check calendar notification settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Notifications, scroll down and select Calendar. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Under Alerts, check that your preferred alert settings are selected. Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners. Tap Sounds and select a sound for your calendar alerts. Solution 2. Check Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. Open Settings, tap Focus, tap Do Not Disturb or the active focus mode you are using. If the mode is on, toggle it off. Check if your calendar alerts start working after this. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the calendar alerts issue on your iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next video.